welcome to my channel, and here I will be showing you how you can solve this particular problem which has to do with the conversion of orthographic views into isometric view. And as we have here that the drawing below shows three views of a machine component drawn in first angle projection. Draw the isometric view of the component making A the lowest point. This is point A that they are referring to, that we should make it the lowest point. Okay, now as we are told that these views are given in first angle orthographic projection, it means that this is the front view as shown here, this is the plan as shown here, and this is the end elevation or end view. So let's talk about the dimensions on the views. For the plan, we have distance from here to here to be 80 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 15, and from here to here is 15 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 40, from here to here is 20. Then coming to the front elevation, we have distance from here to here to be 20 millimeters, from here to here is 20, and from here to here is 20 millimeters. So this is the end elevation, no dimension, there's no dimension on the end elevation. So let's start and see how this object can be constructed or by making it onto isometric view. So what we need to do first, as I usually say, is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this. So we draw a horizontal line. Okay, so we draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so then we take our 30-degree set square. We draw a line in this direction. So we draw a line in this direction, and then we turn it to this side. So we draw a line in this direction like this. So then we need to indicate point A, which is the lowest point as we are told in the question. So this is the lowest point A. So what I'm going to do first, as we have here, is that I'm going to construct this view that we have on the end elevation. I'm going to construct this view that we have on the end elevation. I will construct this, then apart from this one, but I'm going to construct something like L around here. So as I've indicated point L here, so looking at the distance from here to here on the end elevation, it is 60 millimeters. 20 plus 40 will give us 60. So what I'm going to do now is that from point A here, I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters. Take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So this is 60 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to draw, okay, I will draw a vertical line at this point. So here I will draw a vertical line like this, and here also I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so as we have here in the end elevation or in the front elevation, we have distance from here to here to be 20 millimeters. So that means distance from here to here is 20 millimeters, and total height from here to here is equal to total height that we have here, which is 60 millimeters in the front elevation. 20 plus 20 plus 20, that gives us 60 millimeters. So what I will do now is that at this point here on this from A, so I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters, and at this end here I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So this is 60 millimeters. Then another thing that I'm going to do here is that, okay, so let me do that. So let me, okay, so what I'm going to do here now is that I will draw a line, just a short line like this. I will draw it forward here. I'm coming here also, so I will draw a line at this point in this direction. So then okay, so distance from here to here is 20 millimeters, as we are given in the plan. Now distance from here to here is 20 millimeters, so it's also the same as what we have here as 20. So I just come up here from where I have that 60. So I'll take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line, so to complete that shape as I said. So I will draw this as a vertical line. So now with what we have done here, the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to project a line, draw a line from this point. So I'll draw a line from this point here. So I'll draw it in this direction. Okay, so then I'll come up here. Coming up here, I will also draw a line in this direction, and coming to this point, I will draw a line in this direction. So now with what we have done here, so the next thing that we are going to do is to take a distance of 80 millimeters from this point to this point. So from here I'll take 80 millimeters, as we have also in the front elevation distance from here to here is also 80 millimeters. So I'll take a measurement of 80 millimeters from this point. So 80 millimeters from this point A here, so this is 80. So now I'm going to draw a vertical line here at this point. So here I will draw a vertical line to meet this line. Then at this point I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a line in this direction like this. So then I'm going to transfer this point. So I transfer it here to meet this line. Then wherever this meets, they intersect here. So I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point. So here I will draw a vertical line. So then I'm going to transfer this point. I'm going to transfer it to this side. Okay, so all I need to do is to complete this. So I'll just complete it here. Okay, so you can see what we have obtained. So the next thing that we are going to do is to bring out this shape that we have here. This shape that we have here, which will give us this rectangle in the plan. So as we have that, distance from here to here is 15 millimeters, and distance from here to this point here is 20 millimeters. So how do we take that measurement? So I will come to this point here. From this point I'll take a measurement of 15 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters. So I will also come here. So from this point I will also take 15 millimeters. So this is another 15 millimeters. So then I will come onto this point, take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters. So I'll just transfer this. I'll just take this on the other side here. So this is it. I'll just mark it here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is that I will transfer this point. So this point I will transfer it to this side, and I will come here also, transfer it to this side. So and here coming here, I will also transfer this to this side. Okay, so having done this now, so the next thing I'm going to do is that, so I'll just make this line a thick line. From this point I will join this together like this. Okay, so then I will also join this point together like this. So then I will also join this point. I will join them together. This is how this one is going to look here. So I'll just join this together like this. Okay, so if you look at what we have here, we are done with the work. We have completed it. So everything that we have here is there. So I'm going to bring out the outlines while I pause the video, and I will come back when I'm done. Alright, so this is how the object looks, as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.